In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get an invisible name on Telegram. By the end, your display name will look blank to others. Using a safe invisible Unicode character rather than just an empty space, which Telegram doesn't allow. This is handy if you want a minimalist profile or a little extra privacy for your display name. Keep in mind, your username and phone number visibility still follow your privacy settings, so this only affects the name line people see in chats. Start by opening any web browser and heading to smallciatools.com. Once you are on the site, look for the Invisible Character Generator. This tool provides characters that look like nothing but are recognized as text. Inside the tool, open the character drop-down and choose Hangul Filler. This option reliably works with Telegram, unlike regular spaces or other blank-looking characters that can get stripped out. After selecting Hangul Filler, click the Copy button. You won't see anything on your clipboard, and that's expected. The character is invisible, but it's there. Now, open the Telegram app from the main screen. Open the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings. Next, select My Account. Tap your name to edit it. In the first name field, paste the character you copied. Don't worry if it still looks blank, that's exactly what you want. Then move to the second name field and paste the same character again. Using the invisible character in both fields ensures your full display name appears empty. When you are done, tap Save. You should now see your Telegram name displayed as invisible. If it still shows your previous name, give it a second to refresh. Sometimes Telegram takes a moment to update across devices. If it doesn't save and you get an error, it usually means a normal space was pasted by mistake. Just go back to the Invisible Character Generator, confirm Hangul Filler is selected, copy again, and paste it into both fields. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use Telegram on different devices, the invisible name should carry over automatically once your profile refreshes. If you ever want a visible name again, just return to the same place in Settings and type a normal first, and optionally, last name. And remember, an invisible name doesn't change your username handle, so people can still find you the same way. That's it. Thanks for watching.